Hello, Sheila, back again from Thompson Leisure. How many times am I going to say that? So today I have the Burstner 744 Lyseo Harmony, brand new edition right here. We have a couple more arriving in July, but if you wanted to take a look, now's your chance, come on ahead. First of all, you have your 16-inch alloy wheels that are factory fitted as standard. You have your outside barbecue point, your outside TV point, your huge through awning with the awning light that strips all the way across. If you want to see what that looks at night time, I'll see what I can do for you. You have a large garage down here as well. And you'll see your removable carpets are in there. You also have an additional 12-volt plug down there as well in the boot. Of course, you have a reverse camera on the back and access to your garage on the other side as well. But let's see inside because I know that's the best part. Come on ahead. You also have an electric welcome step in this vehicle as well. So here is the home of the motorhome. A couple of people ask, you know, what it looks like whenever the seats are turned back around. So I only turned one for you today. Here is your living area, your seating area. This model comes with an extendable table unit. So you can make that table a bit bigger for the people eating here and eating here. Of course, this is a 4-berth, 4-belt motorhome. So your 2 belts are here and then your other 2 are here. Up the front, you have your multimedia system, your aircon, sat-nav, reverse cam, USB ports. You have your multi-functioning steering wheel with Bluetooth connectivity as standard. Of course, this vehicle also comes with Remus blinds that come across the windows and the windscreen as well. So this is the kitchen side of your motorhome, of your kitchen. You also have additional counter space here to access your sink. I've said it in other videos, if this is your first time, you might get excited about this. This is my favourite part to the Burstner new model. These here are actually power lines, power rails. You can just switch your light off. You can disconnect it from the line and move it to another part of the motorhome. And then whenever you just plug it back in, you can switch it on. Now you also can like take it off and say move it down here if you wanted it over there. If you want them all grouped together, you can do that too. You can buy additional ports that work on this, so USB ports and different things, different charging stations. But have a look on Amazon if you're interested. Here is your 3-gas hob and your combined oven and grill down here. Of course, this is your full fridge with the freezer compartment just in the front here as well. Now, I don't know if you spotted it, but there is a TV here. This doesn't come with the TV, but it comes with a TV bracket, so it has a TV aerial and it's ready to go. You know, you just buy the TV and pop it on. Down the back here is your second lounge area. Real big, nice, spacious lounge in here. Again, there's a second TV bracket in here as well. Doesn't come with the TV, doesn't come with the TV. Can't blame me. You'll see lovely storage units down here as well. Real nice finish that they've done. And down here you have your secret coffee table as well. And then that just pops in out of the way. Now, this motorhome comes with 2 electric beds. One just here. Just slips that on. Now that can go all the way down and it's just a matter of moving them pillows and storing them away, or you can climb up at whatever height that you feel you want. The other one I didn't show you, I should have, but it's just around here and it's above your lounge. Again, this one comes with a ladder for you to just hop on up as well. In here is your bathroom, and that comes with a separate shower. So this motorhome comes with a ton of storage, and you've probably seen it. Here is a huge wardrobe. That's also where you would access your TV aerial to adjust the gauge on it. Again, tons of storage in around here, just really everywhere. And that's kind of it. If there's anything else that you'd like to know about this vehicle, please visit our website. I'll link that for you. If you have any other questions or want to see me do anything, you know, fold out the bed or fold out anything, please let me know. You can contact me directly in the comments, or you can email me at marketing@thompsonleisure.com. Additionally, you can give us a call on 028 9269 3999, and I'll see you in the next video.